Katie Bainline. I'm the garden coordinator at Logos Public Charter School. And here we are, it's April, time for our Garden Gazette yet again. So this month we are going to be focusing on a really special trio of crops called the Three Sisters. And I'm going to refer you back to a video we did last spring during our first quarantine, and that video will tell you a lot about these three different crops and has an activity for you to do. So I'll refer you back to that. If you signed up to receive the materials for this Garden Gazette, you will receive the materials needed for that video as well. But I have a quick video to show you today, and it's a kind of an investigation, hands-on activity, watching seeds germinate, specifically those three crops that I mentioned. So let me show you what you're going to need for this activity. You're going to need some water. You could put it in a pan or a cup. The 5 different seeds that are provided for you from the Oregon Agriculture in the Classroom Foundation. 5 cotton balls, which are also provided for you. A glove, which you'll receive. You might also need a pencil, a Sharpie, and some tape. So let me show you what we're going to do with all this stuff. We are going to grow a garden in a glove. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions on this sheet, but I'll just read them out and show you how to do each step. So using a marker, you're going to label each finger with the following seeds. I'm probably just going to use G for garbanzo bean, K for kidney bean, P for pumpkin, C for corn, and B for black bean. And then from there, you're going to dip all 5 of your cotton balls into the water, and you're going to wring them out so that they're damp but not sopping wet. We want to make sure that these seeds germinate, but we don't want them to get moldy in our glove. And then you're going to take your cotton ball, and you're going to use the cotton ball to pick up each of the seeds so that the seeds are wrapped in with the cotton ball. So I got my garbanzo bean first, and you might need your pencil to kind of nudge it down into the bottom. We got our kidney bean next. Make it a little jacket there. And you can always re-wet the cotton balls if you sense that they're getting dry. It'll take about 3 to 5 days for these to start germinating. P for pumpkin. C for corn. Finally, B for black bean. So it'll be really interesting for you to see these seeds germinate and to notice the differences between their leaves when they first start to grow, and you're going to see them actually all start growing up towards the top of the fingers. So as I said, you can take a spray bottle or just put a little bit of water in here if they start to get dry. And then you can take a bit of tape and put your glove in a window so they get plenty of sunlight. And watch them grow from there. So if you have some pictures of this that you'd like to send me, we can post it on our Logos Facebook page or Instagram to show your garden in a glove to everybody. And after they started growing a little bit, maybe up to where the finger ends, you can actually transplant these into your garden if you have a container garden or if you have a raised bed, you can plant these all in your garden and see what they produce. So that's this month's activity. I hope you guys enjoy making a garden in a glove and learning all about the three sisters. Again, it'll take 1 to 2 weeks for your plants to grow big enough that you can plant them in your garden. You can actually even just cut off the bottom part and put the plant right in the soil. So I hope you guys have a wonderful month and hope that we'll see you in some of our in-person events coming up soon.